I'm Sharon McIntyre. I'm a schools-based counsellor working for Wrexham County Borough Council. I'm schools-based, so that means I get to go around a lot of the secondary schools in Wrexham talking to young people who have maybe got some worries or some concerns about things that's happening in their life at the moment. That can be stuff that's going on at school, things that are going on at home, even things they find that's quite personal and private, and they just think, oh, I really would like somebody independent to talk to about all this kind of stuff. Who is there around? And that's my role as a counsellor, to be that person. So it's a free confidential service that young people can access themselves. In schools, sometimes we get referrals from, say, a form teacher, a head of year, a school nurse, or even the educational social worker. But mostly it's young people that want to come and speak to us about sort of some of the problems that they're having at the moment. Well, in counselling, you can bring whatever it is that you want to bring to talk about with your counsellor. That could be stuff that's like exam stress. You're worrying about your exams, you're feeling all that pressure, and that might affect how you think and how you feel, and how certain daily activities are really becoming a struggle. And you can sit down with your counsellor and talk about all those issues and find ways of coping with it. Setting out maybe what's achievable, what's not achievable, and just taking our time to explore things and understand what it is that's impacting on you.